All right, it's time to try out the world's first flossing toothbrush, Waterpik Sonic Fusion. I'm about to test Waterpik Sonic Fusion. It's the world's first flossing toothbrush. You and me, we're gonna do it together, although it's going to be on my teeth, not yours. This is it. Here's the rest of it. Water in here, toothbrush here, connected to this tube. A couple of things you should know about this. It's got buttons to control the water. It has 10 pressure settings for the water. The button to control the toothbrush. You can obviously have the water and the toothbrush going at the same time. It has a built-in 2-minute timer. That looks like about enough water, right? Sure. That's loud. This is really powerful. A little toothpaste on. First we'll start with the brush. Oh! Oh. Oh, wow. That was intense. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with the water. I can let it all dribble out, or it can fill up my mouth. I think I have to do a lot of spitting. Maybe I'll finish brushing and then I'll switch. Okay folks, I've spent a few weeks with Waterpik's brand new Sonic Fusion, the world's first flossing toothbrush. It both brushes my teeth with a rechargeable toothbrush and it flosses them with the basically the classic Waterpik. It's all combined in this one $199 device. I've been using it for a few weeks now and I've gotten used to the mess. But what I've learned is, 1, don't put the flossing power too high. 2, don't try and brush and floss at the same time. That's a mess. But it can work if you do one first and then the other, and then it's actually pretty effective. So I'll just show you once what I do now in my daily routine. And here we go. A lot of power in this thing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is the Waterpik part, and there is no getting around this. What happens is the water goes in your mouth and then it's gotta come out. It is such a mess, but every time I use it, my teeth feel really clean. It's kind of worth the trouble. It's easy to hold, you know, it spins on this. You just put it in here like so, and it just charges up. This water lasts probably 3 or 4 times. It does feel good. I think it works, but you kind of feel like there's a reason that they never put these two things together. But I'm pretty sure that when I go to the dentist in about 5 months, they're gonna look at my gums and the space between my teeth and they're gonna be like, dude, this is cleaner. What did you do? I used the Waterpik Sonic Fusion, the world's first flossing toothbrush. Overall, I'm going to give the Waterpik Sonic Fusion a thumbs up because I think it does the job as long as you can put up with the mess. So, you know, not bad. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have suggestions for other gadgets I should be trying out, please hit me up on Twitter or Instagram. It's Lance Ulanoff, but don't forget the hashtag GuruHub. That's GuruHub. Thanks for watching, and that was a mess. See you soon.